gladly when the Honorable Member for Budalangi sought to inform me, and I can confirm, I know the member for Budalangi, he drinks nothing other than milk and honey. And I accept the information that the member is giving us. Mr. Speaker, back to the business. I concede that the content of this response, remember, this is not the response of the chair of the relevant
Honorable Kajwang, because time is so gone, if you agree there is inadequacy in the response, in terms of addressing the other issues mentioned by Honorable Kiplagat, why don't you just intervene in the manner we normally intervene so that we can transact the remaining business?
Point noted, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I was just going to say that I retract these responses, Mr. Chair, Mr. Speaker. I retract these responses back to the committee so that we investigate and interrogate more on these issues, especially on the elucidation by the member that he was going beyond the issues of relief preparedness to the questions on the state of that road. And Mr. Speaker, I would wish to welcome the member. We will invite him properly before the committee. And probably we will also invite the agencies, and we may go there so that we really do justice to these responses. But Mr. Speaker, just allow me to say something about Nyamaza Road, spoken of by the member, Honorable Ngeno. Mr. Speaker, I'm a consummate user of that road. Every time I visit my relatives back in the village. And I think that he has a point that needs to be investigated by this House. But I think that he should compose a question or a statement under Standing Order 42C to give us the leverage and the entry point by which we can call these agencies. I don't understand how that road is that narrow. I don't suppose that there are no engineers that can design a big road, even on those upsetters, to carry several lanes, and that traffic between Nyamaza and the city should be opened for people who are traveling either to Nakuru or to Narok. Mr. Speaker, I want to invite Honorable Ngeno or any other member who is disposed to bring a statement under 42C so that we can be able to investigate these issues. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Kajwang. You've become the chair who has spoken for the longest time, responding to statements in the afternoon. On behalf of your substantive chair, the Honorable Macharia. The Honorable DK, I hope you are now satisfied. Honorable Kajwang has promised that you'll be invited to the committee so that you explore those.
Yeah, I think now I'm happy now Honorable Kajwang insists of the magnitude of the matter, and I take it up so that at least we can ventilate further so that we can benefit from expansion of that road. But I hope that I wanted to hear from, with your indulgent speaker, you indulge Honorable Bissau, because we are both the victims. And if he doesn't say something, his constituents might be on his neck.
Honorable Kiplagat, you don't preside over the House. Really. Yes. Before we continue, let me recognize the following schools in the public gallery. First is Goldfields School from Suna East in Migori County.